About 8 years ago I showed you live fire. Guess what? They have designed a miniature one. So this is probably one of the best things in combination. A striker, bring camping with you, and one of these, it's like a candle inside one of these their container. So that way we can fluff it up. You see how nice and fluffy that is? And we can use a striker, lighter, whatever you wanna use it to for preference. You can challenge yourself. Let's see. Just like that, one nice striker, and then we can put it on the side like that and get it going. I will be using some moist sticks just to see how well it does. So now you have a nice flame, and we're just going to put it right under it, and it's going to light up the fire. Obviously I like the bigger one as well, but it takes a little bit more space. Miniature could be a cool option as well. So what I'll do now is take this out, it's burning this side, and put it on this side. Now that it's burning that side, let's get this side going too. And the cool thing is we can leave it in there, make sure it's get it going, the stick's going, and close it like this and save it for the next time. And we got the flame going. So this is really cool. Obviously it works the same thing with the bigger one, bigger flame, so probably even easier to start the fire. But for camping and hiking purposes, miniature probably just as good and less space taken out. But this one will last longer. This is a cool little invention. I really like that a lot. Multi-purpose fire starter. You see, it's gonna last many times. This is the second time using it, and look at that nice little campfire. You know what to do, just add on bigger and bigger sticks, and you got a nice bonfire, and we can cook over it and so on. Stay warm. I like it. Also, this is a lightning strike, one of the best strikers that I owned.